What's up YouTube? It's me JL again, and we're gonna try this Fujifilm Disposable camera. So, basahin po natin kung anong nakasulat. Karusuro mas kare kalas kamay kare ka. Ano?
Natamimi kayo, ano?
Joke lang. Hindi ko pa maintindihan kasi galing to sa Japan at pinadala lang to dito sa atin. Nakalagay sa kanyang expiry 2020 pa, so pwede pa siya. So, buksan natin. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. Baka wala tong laman. So this is the Simple Ace Fujifilm Disposable camera. Try natin around People's Park. Let's go. Hello guys, we are down to our last 6 shots. So, magtitira tayo ng 5 shots later. Yung medyo madilim na para tatry natin yung kanyang flash kung okay ba. Okay, last 1 shot. Let's go! So nakalagay dito sa likod, hindi ko na intindihan ng Japanese pero may nakalagay na 400. So most probably ISO 400 to siya. And 27 is for 27 shots. Nakalagay din dito na kung itataas natin to, doon natin magagamit yung flash. Kung makikita nyo na umilaw na yung red sa taas, so ibig sabihin pwede nang gamitin yung flash. So baba mo natin siya. Mamaya gagamitin natin siya with flash sa bahay na lang siguro, or depende kung saan tayo makakita ng magandang spot pwede gamitan ng flash. Okay, we're down to our last 4 shots. Okay. Stop.
Stop!
Stop!
Alam kong nasa isip nyo, most of my shots are underexposed. May makukuha naman akong acceptable, pero meron talagang very unacceptable image. These are my sample shots of very underexposed and unacceptable images. Very unacceptable and waste of money. Film photographers are broke, always broke. At dahil dun, I wanna slap my face. OMG. That's Davao 504 effects. Now I'll give you 3 reasons kung bakit underexposed ang mga kuha ko. First reason is baka I am against the light. Just like this. Ang shadow ng subject ko is towards me, kaya feel ko yan ang reason kung bakit naging underexposed siya. Second reason, my subject is too dark. Meron akong isang shot sa bahay kubo and sa isang pond, which is wala ka talaga makikita dahil super dark na aking subject. So feel ko yun ang reason kung bakit naging underexposed siya at walang image na nakuha. Third reason is baka ang expiry date niya and kung paano siya na-store. Kasi kung ang film ay na-store in the fridge, most probably maganda pa ang kanyang mga kuha. The expiry of this camera is ngayong May 2020 and baka yun ang isang reason kung bakit naging overexposed sa mga kuha ko dahil hindi siya na-store properly. Yung mga reasons na sinabi ko ay opinion ko lang. Kung sa tingin nyo, ano pa ang pwedeng reason kung bakit underexposed sa mga kuha, just comment down below para malaman ng mga film photographers. So, konting review lang, ang Fujifilm Disposable camera needs to be advance and then shoot, advance and then shoot. So, these are my sample shots with the Fujifilm Disposable camera with a flash. Magic. Epic. So, that would be all. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and click that notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga uploads ko. Adios. Peace. Click. Advance. Click.